Prove by showing one side of the equation equals the other. So in our second problem, here we have cosine to the fourth of x minus sine to the fourth of x should equal cosine squared of x minus sine squared of x. So if you take a look at the left side, you see that we have the difference of two perfect squares, and that can be factored. So let's try to factor it. We use the difference of two perfect squares, and we get cosine squared x minus sine squared x times cosine squared x plus sine squared x. And if you take a look at that, you will probably recognize something in that second set of parentheses. How about now? What you should have seen is that we can substitute cosine squared x plus sine squared x for 1. And when you do that, anything multiplied by itself is itself. You get the left side is equal to the right side of this equation, so you've proven the identity.